the word, A&J? Good morning.
What's the word, y'all? We back again.
Y'all, so I was sick, as y'all can hear in my voice.
She sound a little better now.
I feel much better. But I was sick.
That's why we ain't
for the last couple of days. So, and he was like, I wanted to record, but I know you probably want to be in the video. I didn't mind, but I heard y'all sick. But yeah, I was sick for a couple of days, man. It was horrible, man.
Laying in the bed all night. For 2 days straight.
But come on now. He was a little bit too playful last night. Yesterday. No, all yesterday. He was damn near ready to beat me up, throwing pillows at me. Listen.
It's cold, y'all. That's why we got on our coat.
But it was negative fucking 8 yesterday. Like, what?
2 days straight.
Negative.
It's cold. Now it's snow out here. First it wasn't no snow, and we wake up to snow.
And y'all, never believe this crap. My starter went out. It's so cold, my starter went out. No,
cold, froze her starter.
Froze my damn starter. Now I'm waiting on the tow truck, man.
We can go to the shop.
To take it to the shop.
That's basically what this video is about.
So now I gotta take my truck to the shop.
Taking ghosts
again.
To the hospital.
Yeah, I just paid to get it. Spark plugs. How much was that? $415, something like that. Just for spark plugs. I took that. God damn it.
Okay.
No, it's in the house. That's just
the shows, y'all, the receipt.
But, man, like,
we just been spending money.
Now the starter didn't went out. They want $400 and something for that. He
I
said,
just got my car fixed. I took my
these cars, but it's part of life, huh?
Yep.
That's okay, because I'm about to go trade this car in. Yeah, give me a new toy.
Yeah, we ain't gonna tell y'all what we gonna get.
I'm already looking into it.
Stay tuned for it.
I'm already looking into it.
Y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, that's our move for the day. Y'all know I gotta roll up.
And I'm hungry. I'm waiting on this tow truck, man. He's talking about 15 minutes. It's been longer than that. I left my watch.
We sitting in front of the house, y'all. In front of our house. We can't show y'all where we stay in. I might try to come and rob us.
Somebody said they was gonna steal both of our Infinity trucks.
Yeah, we got into it with some folks.
Ooh, they be hating.
We posted some pictures on Valentine's Day. They was hating on us.
They was hating. But we had a lot of love though too.
Matter of fact, we gonna post
I love the love.
Let's
the
let them
love.
see the pictures,
Okay, look at the picture. Okay, y'all seen that?
Yeah, them pictures they was hating on. They was hating on them.
I didn't even know we was gonna get like that. But we did our
I didn't either. I didn't expect all them likes and shit.
But I appreciated it. I appreciate the hate. I really appreciate all the love.
It was really all love.
It was mostly love.
It was only probably 7 motherfuckers that was hating.
No, it was more than 7.
Like 10.
I mean, it was more because we got more love. We got more love than anything.
It was like 600 people. Swear to God, we got down there 500 likes on loves and likes on it. Shit, that was more love. Shit, it was more love.
It was more love than anything. I can't say it was more love than anything. But I'm saying the hate was real. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I had to go lie, and I was at work. It was a Chicago old ass nigga. Talking about he young. He was an old ass nigga. Talking about that's his uncle on this profile picture. Nigga, that was your ass. Old ass nigga, you old as a bitch on my D. Worrying about my cars, nigga. You got a car.
Yeah, but man,
they beat the motherfucker that don't got shit. He hate it. Show me what's in your driveway.
Motherfuckers can't even afford them. It's expensive though.
These niggas said high mileage ass cars. I put the miles on there. Them niggas are salty as a bitch. Like nigga, where the miles higher? Thank you. Excuse me, y'all. Had to sneeze. Y'all say bless. Y'all say bless you. Don't just look at me when I sneeze. What's wrong with y'all?
I got some fishes.
Y'all need to subscribe to our channel, man. Come on, man. Can y'all please subscribe. Please like the video too, man. Y'all viewing us but not liking the video. Please like the video, y'all. Please, y'all. It don't take nothing but a second. And it's free. It's free. It's free. Just hit the like button and subscribe.
That's free to subscribe, like, comment.
That's all y'all gotta do. Time to get up there, man. We on the road to 100 subscribers. That's our goal. We trying to hit 100 subscribers, man. We ain't asking for much. We just getting started with this shit, y'all. Come on, man. Show us some love, man. Come on. Y'all subscribe to us, we gonna subscribe to y'all, because we see who subscribe. It come to our phone, the name and everything. So time you subscribe, we just subscribe to your shit.
And I don't mind. Like, I know, as we can see, we see the views going up. So I'm like, yo, I be excited when the views going up. You should see me.
But it's good though, because it's good for us, because we beginners. You know what I'm saying?
I don't like these fishes. Take these to work with you.
They gonna be hard as hell.
I'm gonna get them to the kids. I don't know. We just not gonna eat them. They stick to your teeth. I just went to the dentist too. Got my teeth clean. So, I
need to do the same thing.
I want all this stuff in my teeth.
Checked out.
But yeah, y'all, we don't want to bore y'all, so we'll be back in a little bit when this tow truck comes. He's supposed to be here any day now.
We're gonna record him loading it on.
I guess, but we'll be back in a little bit.
Show y'all a little content. Little something. I know it ain't shit, but something. Just let me show y'all. We don't want to keep talking. Alright, peace out.
Okay, y'all, we back. So the tow truck people is here. And he is doing truck people. So he gonna do is want to roll it, babe?
Yeah.
Want me to get in it?
They should get out of here. Shit.
Yeah. Want me? Want me to get in it?
Yeah, we finna push it out. I put it in neutral.
Want me
Be able to push it out.
That back tire is low too.
Oh, y'all. With the tow truck right there, y'all. So we finna get it out of here. Ooh. All this, oh, my stuff is a little dusty. Ooh, yeah, we finna get it up out of here. Ooh. So, it's cold. It's cold. But it's cold, y'all. It's cold. So I'll be back. Well, we will be back. He outside with them. So we'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all. What's the word? So we back. Got it at this place. Got it here.
Yeah, he in the hospital, y'all. Ghost is in the hospital.
Yeah.
He's back.
Man, listen. I'm tired of spending money, but yeah, at the National, I gotta take him to get the real deal. I can't be playing with ghosts. I can't be letting people play with ghosts, you know. I gotta get them done the right way.
Yeah.
So,
94 eastbound is still jammed up.
They don't need my keys?
Highway 135th
Yeah, he got the
Street,
key.
an accident on the right shoulder. 894
Yeah. Down the radio on our part, y'all.
yeah, so I guess I'm gonna just wait. Hopefully they done before he go to work so I can have my car back. If not, I'm gonna have my little brother come pick me up and bring me, or my sister. But yeah, y'all, so I just want to come back and let y'all know that Ghost is in the shop. Thank God. Get him done, pay for everything, man. Sometimes spending money, man. But
Yeah, man. Shit. You ain't show him how much? We ain't gonna show y'all. I ain't y'all motherfucking business. It's
upsetting that I gotta pay.
man.
But yeah, all right, y'all. We're gonna go find us something to eat and go to Walmart.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. All right, y'all. Sarah right here. George Webb's, y'all. Y'all see him? Yep, I got me some water right here. Y'all know what she got. She got food.
No, I
She
didn't
ain't got
have
no
cream.
caramel. Y'all see she got all that cream. Look, and
No,
the
it's
sugar
two,
right
it's
next
two.
to her.
It's two.
Oh, she only used 2 this time. But yeah, man. We got us some food. Y'all want to come to George Webb?
Yeah, she.
Man, it's y'all gonna see what we got for that price. Y'all gonna be like, damn. But we ain't gonna talk y'all too long. We're gonna turn the camera back on when we get our food. Yeah, y'all. Y'all see it? She can't wait to bite into the food.
I'm trying to, you know.
Good. Get that. Eggs. Yeah. Sausage. I'm waiting on my grits. I'm waiting on my grits, y'all. They forgot to put my grits on. Yeah, they forgot to give them to me. So yeah, we finna eat, man. We just have to show y'all the food. We're gonna show the now and the after. So, peace out.
Okay, y'all. So we back in the car. I am full. Okay. I am full.
Yeah.
Are you full?
Yeah, I'm full. We need to show y'all our place after we know. We literally ate everything.
Everything.
Literally. Everything. That's how I'm
Everything.
I know people use to go to
Okay, I can't
restaurants
sing, like I
and
said, fuck
they take
y'all.
and they take the rest of their food with them. We did. We ate everything. And some little girl in there was trying to take our waiter tip.
Tips.
So this the tip. This the tip. All right. She see the lady one right there. She walking in the back like this. Like the lady right there. She ain't one even right there. Then gonna set it down and look at her like we ain't see her. I told her to.
She been watching us at the corner of her eye.
Yeah, under eyeing us. Y'all know how people under eye y'all. But anyway,